Whoa. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. So, my office take back is complete, but it required a part 1 and part 2. Will the pantry? Hopefully not. Will I have a couple of helpers underfoot? Yes. Will they request a lot of snacks? I'm sure. Will I have willpower to say no to snack breaks myself? We shall see. Do you have a pantry that needs organized as well? Why don't you join me? Keep your video rolling and let's get started. Brace yourself, this is real life here. Yikes! Yay! Yikes, this got out of hand fast. A lot of what you see here for organization bins is from the Dollar Tree. I completely underestimated their incredible selection, so I would not do that if I were you. And check out what they have, especially at the beginning of the year when everyone's interested in organization, they stock up. I'm wondering if a game is in order. How about you drink your favorite drink every time you see me change my hairstyle? If you decided to clean alongside me, let's see if you can tell when I have a snack attack. Wait for it. Now look at your screen. Yep, you knew it was coming. This is the point where future Ashley asks you to please not judge my past untidiness. I plan to tidy all of my future days. I certainly understand the magic of tidying up, and I've been doing my best ever since I took a deep dive. I remind myself, these are my experiments in imperfection, and slowly, over time, I will get better and better. Alright, it's a new day, a new dawn, and I'm ready to do more. The Hubs came home with a bunch of items from Costco. I'm going to put them in some new homes and we will see how it goes. I'm going to guess you're ready for the reveal. So let's get back to it, shall we? Versatility of these bins, and over time, if you change what you want to do in the pantry, you can always use them in closets or other locations. My particular styles and colors may not be available at the time that you're watching, but these colors might not be for everyone anyway. For me, they are very fun because I love color, and the pantry seemed like a safe space to really infuse a lot of my favorite color. Why am I going to call turquoise my favorite color? It's like a turquoise teal. Anyway, okay, it's one of my faves because I have a lot of favorite colors. But I love jewel tones, and this really, this really checks the box.
I'm a wreck. I've been moving like a hot mess. I don't want no combo, I want checks. I don't want the second, I want best.
we move up to the bins, these are soft-sided storage bins, and you're going to notice that these are more flimsy. For $1, you can't beat it. Voila! Now let's turn our attention to these awesome bins. I love the woven factor. I will include a link to the labels in my description. Totally self-service for the kiddos. What about battery storage? I love these bins to be able to store odd-sized batteries. And then look, these cute little recycling bins. They also have mini trash can ones, and the mini trash can actually comes in the matching color, but what you gonna do? I wanted the recycling one. I actually have the other one on my desk. Anyway, continuing on with party supplies. Don't forget, they often have really good brands that maybe just needed to find a home at Dollar Tree in order to get sold out across the nation. Also, fun food trays. Picnic lunch. Consider non-traditional items that you can store in baskets as well. Consider non-traditional items that might make it into your kitchen or pantry. For me, it includes lots of Play-Doh, a couple Play-Doh trucks as well, and then I went ahead and made this storage bin. I showed all of my pantry organization, and a lot of it I achieved with Dollar Tree bins. Now you can achieve a nice look on a budget, and I encourage you to consider the options. If the idea of organizing is overwhelming, make a list of things to do. And of course I'm using my non-dominant hand, so let's try that again. These really do the trick for me. Okay. These really do the trick for us. And there you have it. I'd love to hear from you. Feel free to comment below. I'd love it if you like and share the video, but at least make sure that you're subscribed so that you can catch all the latest content. PPS, here is a preview of an upcoming video.
From up north, we get cold, you need a heavy coat. Scared to end up on a shirt before a centerfold. Devil on my back, target on me, deadly too. Play for keeps, don't tweet. It's not peace, don't speak. 24, no sleep. This is real, no tweet. My bros for life, can't break this link. Family on my side, baby stay around me. I don't want no combo, I want checks.
Oh hey, would you like to subscribe to explore more?